Uruka adventure hai ba lesson sigi ngasi koi class 7 gi lesson number 2 sigi koi second part amu nare second part ngarang tau gi badu gi makha tabo oina koi naina si koi ahan bagi characters se koi am tan revise tau si kala khana yaw gi Uruka festival hai se koi khange ko koi karam kan wo festival no. This is the festival of Assamese singi festival am khangni ꯃꯥꯒ ꯕꯤꯍꯨ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯥꯒ ꯕꯤꯍꯨꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯒ ꯕꯤꯍꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯆꯟꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯅꯤ ꯕꯤꯍꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯈꯪꯉꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯍꯦꯟꯒ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯔꯨꯞ ꯈꯔꯒ ꯀꯅꯥ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ ꯁꯟꯖꯨ ꯅꯟꯇꯨ ꯔꯤꯡꯀꯨ ꯔꯣꯃꯣꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯍꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯎꯔꯨꯀꯥ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯎꯔꯨꯀꯥ ꯑꯦꯗꯚꯦꯟꯆꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯇꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯩꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯎꯔꯨꯀꯥ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜꯁꯀꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯤ ꯚꯦꯔꯥꯒꯣꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯟꯖꯨꯁꯦ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯜꯗꯦꯁ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯍꯟꯅꯤ ꯁꯟꯖꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯚꯦꯂꯥꯒꯣꯔꯗ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯍꯤꯡꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯦꯜꯂꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯁꯇꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯎꯁ ꯚꯦꯂꯥꯒꯣꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯐꯥꯁꯇꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯎꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁꯇ ꯍꯜꯂꯦ ꯐꯥꯁꯇꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯎꯁꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯚꯦꯂꯥꯒꯣꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯁꯥꯃꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯎꯔꯨꯀꯥ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜꯗ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅꯒꯤ ꯖꯨꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯩ ꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯚꯦꯂꯥꯒꯣꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯧꯏꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯒꯤ ꯖꯨꯝꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯚꯦꯂꯥꯒꯣꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯧꯏ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯚꯦꯂꯥꯒꯣꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯈꯪꯉꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯗꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯕꯗꯁꯨ ꯚꯦꯂꯥꯒꯣꯔ ꯀꯧꯏ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯂꯦꯛꯇꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯑꯍꯤꯡꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯍꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯂꯦꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯎꯔꯨꯀꯥ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯂꯦꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯧꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯔꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯐꯥꯎ ꯄꯥꯈ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯒꯦꯅ Oh yes ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯍꯦꯟꯅ it is our age old custom ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ age old custom ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ customs ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯏꯅꯉꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯆꯠꯅꯕꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ custom ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ it is our old custom ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯆꯠꯅꯕꯤꯅꯤ we must honor it ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯏ honor ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ we must honor it honor ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯗꯁꯤ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯃꯨꯟꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨ honor ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯗꯁꯤꯗ h ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ h ꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ silent ꯅꯤꯀꯣ h ꯁꯦ silent ꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ honor 하이나 하이니 but h 키 사운드 야오로이 거 honor 하이나 하이니 h silent 수마 word ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯐꯪꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯉꯁꯤꯃ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯉ ꯂꯩꯌꯣ honor ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯀꯣ Mahen responded gleefully 하이ꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ express ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯨꯕꯨ gleefully ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯗꯁꯦ ꯀꯣ gleefully responded ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯍꯦꯟꯅ respond ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯏ ꯃꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯀꯣ soon the grand uruka feast was over ꯌꯥꯝꯖꯥꯡꯅ uruka feast ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ urukaꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯑꯆꯥ ꯑꯊꯛꯀ ꯃꯔꯤ feast ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ festivals ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯆꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕꯗꯨ feast ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦꯀꯣ grand feast was over ꯂꯣꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ grand uruka loigre ko sibauda everyone left for their respective homes everyone left for their respective homes mi punamak magi mayumda hanagre the missives five stayed behind huddling around the big fire soon the grand Uruka fest was over. Everyone left for their respective homes. The missives five stayed behind. ꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯉꯥꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯔꯦ ꯎꯔꯨꯀꯥ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯍꯟꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯉꯥ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯔꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯉꯥꯁꯦ missives ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯗꯁꯦ ꯅꯣꯔꯃꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯂꯝꯍꯦꯟꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯁꯩꯇꯥ ꯃꯤ ꯎꯁꯤꯠꯇꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯌꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯏꯀꯣ huddling around the big fire may tharaga leibdo adi manakta lehore when it was past midnight dugi nungthang ahingi nungthang thenga kanda ko muina kedore mahen rose and commanded mayam duga mana haire others to follow him magi matung inna lao aina in their nocturnal adventure mugi adventure hore ko they made straight for Sitaram's house at the end of the lane at the end of the lane ko mokhigi lambi dugi aroi bada leiba ko lane at the end of the lane. Sitaram hai se kanano was a retired army man. Retired army man haidi army dagi retired hoiba army dagi potharaba mini ko army dagi potharaba mini and farming was his hobby. And farming was his hobby. Lau singu base magi hobby ni. Farming haidi lau singu ba ko. His garden was full of cabbage, brinjal, carrot, and other seasonal vegetables. Magi garden se kai keno lai se jengsi cabbage, brinjal, carrot, and seasonal vegetables. Atai vegetables sing cabbage hai bi khoi khangi ko kai no cabbage hai se noi horen asi se noi gi homework ni cabbage hai vegetable se khoi na kari hai na khangi du noi ira kadau ni brinjal hai bisina kari hai na koi meti ron da khoi ira kadau ni noi na carrots hai bu simaga ira kadau ni aduga atai noi na kari kari khangi jumda atai kari chana vegetable sing na khoi na meti ron da ira kadau ni ko cabbage, brinjal, carrot, atai noina kari jumda chai akoi da kari jumda chai akoi na kari jumda phangba vegetables ming sing noina ira kadau ni ko at least jitna noina jamni banga mi ai best noina khangba vegetables puna mangwa ming puna mak english na iro okay akoi na chana ba akoi siga phangba akoi na chana ba adagi matung da jengsi they work quietly jam tuminna makhon thoktana jato work quietly haireko they work quietly pausing just to put aside the bamboos of the nongala. Nongala hai se assamese ta nong gate to wagi bait ko khoina kai hai kon thong hai da ko kon thong du mui assamese ta wagi gate to nongala ko we mo na assamese ta ko nongala and tiptoe into Sitaram's garden. Moina Sitaram ki garden se chang mo khong kang chen na ko. Then Mahen stopped suddenly. What will we carry the vegetables in? Koi khalle aji. Koi lakti la hai. Koi kari da puni vegetables se. What we will carry the vegetables in? Koi vegetables se kari dham na puni. We didn't bring a bag. Koi bag se purakte. We didn't bring a bag. Koi bag amho purakte hai. Bring hai di purakta. Koi amho purakte. Never mind. We will carry as much as possible in each hand. We will carry as much as possible in each hand. Koi na kutta chandu ta pusi. The friends reply. Magi mama na sing na kari hai ba. Koi na kutta puwang ngam ba do adu khawta nga koi pusi ai na mo na hai. Ho. Di betul na jengsi. It was all very silent in the cold January night. Nungthang January ki nungthang ni jam silent ai jam chikpa bi mira khon ta da ba hing ni. The nightjar, a small piece of wool. Nightjar hai na jam na apikpa maku jat ama lai. Nungthang da thokpa maku ai sin nungthang da thoi ko. Nungthang da thokpa maku jat ama lai nightjar ko wi. A small piece of wool was screeching eerily at regular interval. Marak marak lepa ga ma se khongam bi ko. It made the atmosphere all. It was all very silent in the cold January night. January ki nungthang ni. The nightjar hai le koi khange nightjar hai se maku jat ama ni was screeching eerily at regular interval. It made the atmosphere all the more haunting. Amuk hina ki boy hele ko atmosphere se mana khong du ta ba ko khong ta ba hing du ba. They were all frightened mo yam kidam ne but mo ki da ba sai but put on brave faces. Mo mamai da ki da ba sana dai le ko. Mahen told Mahen, who had walked ahead of the others, noticed a black heap. Mana urami mamangda. Mahen sina mamang sing chupin mana urami kai no urami se black heap. Koi amuba po na koi paina leba ko. Amuba kai guma khara paina leba. Manama urami. Right in the middle of the rows of vegetables to give marakta, he thought it was the harmless pile of garbage. Mana hamala kala mi masi sing fattaba. Amone kai paidani uramani. But as the boys stretched their hands to pick up the vegetables to khungyai na hek khung sidong matamda, the black heap suddenly jerked up. The amuba pot painli ba pot man mado madu patong lengkhale ba ko amuga. The other, to their utter horror, it was dashed towards them at great speed. It was none other than Santiram. Masi karam nate Santiram ne ba, but makoy di khamde. Who had been sitting like a black heap, mang sadi thamna tinna ba, wrapped in a black blanket. Blanket na upse laga ma se thamna le mani ma sadi tukinna. Waiting for such Uruka adventures. Mang sadi ngai la mi me ba su mo ngi angang sing na Uruka gi mo ta ne na mang gi garden sing la matam da mana swana ki han ai mo se ngai le ne ba mo da tan ba gi na ta mo da ki han ba gi. Oh my God, Lord, it it is a ghost. Mo na di khale ngang sing na. Oh my God, Lord, it is a ghost. Misi di bhut ni na. Run, run, run. Ay na chelu 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 ay na kana law. Kana na law. My hand screamed. My hand na law. Chelu chelu si di bhut ni na. They all dashed past to open the Nangola and then to the road. Mo lambi jo na kana chele. Kung thong ka lang ko. The boy ran frantically like antelopes and made good their escapes. Soon they were out of the reach of the army men. Army men na lama bagi wang the chen ko. Finally, regaining his breath, Mahen exclaimed, Man chila chila nga hakot harang mana finally man kaya oh thank God we all alive. Okot mo mahingi wo. But we can but can we not think of other types of adventure? Ako'y atopa ang tasu mamong adventure ang ako'y kalaro isi. Atopa adventure kari kari ako'y tawazay ang kanariyang kang ko. But can we not think of other type of adventure? Atopa adventure siya kari kalasi kasi tawaro isi. Ko, this is the end of the story. Ko'y wali si Loy. Sige, mahin na magi hangin mo daw iba adventure sing daw ko'y kay kay no ko'y kangye ko. Sige sige whole story से कोई पार्ट है पागम ना मथन की क्लास का कोई मसीगी मरी लेना बा क्वेश्चन आंसर सिंग डिस्कशन तो उसी को इसी का मागी के क्वेश्चन जाओगी जी who was the leader of the boys in their adventure in Uruka night. Uruka night to ga kanano adventure di leader to kanano. What were the names of Mahen's friend? We will answer this. We will write these answers in next. We will discuss these answers in our next